Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So we have successfully completed the server side. So now it's time for us to work on the client side. So here I am deleting this one all in order to show you the modules concept. I have created those all files. So I'm deleting this client. So here I am creating a new file index.html. So this is our new thing. Let me try to so that you can be able to see the files what I am trying to create in the workspace in the zoom. Let's try to go to the zoom and I will create two. Okay. Yeah. Now hope you will be able to see it. So this is our index.html file. And here in this index.html file, and again I'm creating another one is a app.js file. So this is our entry file. And here I will be getting style.css. So these are the files which I am creating from the client side. So index.html, I can have an HTML. Okay, so this is our HTML code. And in this one, let's say we'll be having a nav restful APIs. Okay, RESTful APIs. I don't know why this one is coming error. Let's leave it, or otherwise we'll keep it as yeah. RESTful APIs, and here we can say div, and we can have a button. So first one is the get post, and another one is add post, and another one is update post, and another one is delete post. So these are the buttons which we are having, and at the bottom we'll be having a table. Okay, table section. So in this table in this table I will be having head and tr. So in this tr I will be having th. It shows the id and title, and the last one is the description. That's it. So we are having this one all. So this is the button and this is the navigation. Okay, let's open this one in the live server. I'm trying to open this one in the live server. See, this is the output which I am trying to see. So now let's try to do some design also. For that one, what we need to do, we will be adding the link and the style.css. I'll be adding the style.css, and at the bottom script, then type is equal to text slash javascript, and the source is app.js. Oh, sorry, app dot app.js. Yeah. So now everything fine. Let's go to the style.css, and I will be taking the HTML body, and I will give the margin of 0 pixel, and the navigation which is having a nav bar. I can give background color of something around -AA, and let's try to select something. Where is that one? Yeah, here I will try to move it little bit. Yeah. So, and the color I will try to give is the white, and we can have some padding, something around 10 pixel. Let's see the output, how it will look like. Yeah, so we are having this RESTful APIs as a heading, and this get post and all those things, right? Let's try to go to the index.html, and here I can have something like buttons. Okay, so here in the style.css dot buttons, and I can have some margin top of 1 rem is 16 pixel, and we'll do text align center, I think so. Okay, let's go and here right. Yeah, these are in the center. So now we got this one center, and this is the table. Let's try to design this table also. I'm trying to making it as simple as possible. Table section. Okay, so this is our table section, and let's go into this one. Oh, sorry, style.css. Our table section. Okay, so here I can give something like margin top. This one also margin top. This one also 1 rem. Okay, so table, we can maintain it as a margin auto so that it will come to the center. Let's see. Yeah, and here you can have table inside td or th. You can give width of around 20 or 30%. Let's see the output. Yeah, these are coming side by side. And what I wanted, let's make it as a 40%. Okay, let's what I want to do is let's leave it like this. I don't want to disturb it. And here and the t head, right? T head. I will give the background color, some random color, aquamarine. Let's see. Yeah, we are able to get it. And here, what is this happening? And all those things I have given. Table, let's try to give the table of width around 400 pixel or anything. Which I have given it as 400 pixel. Let's see how it will look like. Yeah, so let's leave it like this. Now what I want to do is we are having some gap, right? So what I can do is border collapse. I think everything is set. So yeah, that's it. I don't want to do more design, so let's keep it like this. And if you want, you can also design these buttons. So here, let's go to the buttons. Button. Okay, so which is having button, border, none. And here you can have a background color of something like violet or anything, you can have it. And the color will be white. And border is, we have removed it. I think more than sufficient, I think. Yeah. Or otherwise you will give it some thick color here. So here this one is coming like this. Or otherwise we'll try to do thick color, we'll try to take it. Yeah, blue violet. It's somewhat better, right? Yeah, it's better. So if you want, you can apply these all things. So this is the design what we have did it. And now we got these all things. When I click on this get post, I need to get the details. And I click on this add post, I need to add a post. When I click on update, it needs to update. Delete. So this is a scene, this is the thing. We'll try to do it first time with using the XML HTTP request, and then afterwards you'll do with the fetch API, and also you'll use a third-party library like Axios, also you'll use it. So like that we'll do all things, and so that we can have a clear understanding about the Ajax calls. So here this is our HTML design. So now in the next video we will try to do the XML HTTP request. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.